Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the USB-C charging port on a Samsung Galaxy A23 5G phone. We need a brush like this. A professional rectangular brush with flexible but soft or medium hard bristles so it doesn't scratch the phone. For this we need isopropyl alcohol, 100% pure, so that it simply evaporates after cleaning, and while we're cleaning it softens the dirt, making it easier to remove. You can buy all of this as a set on Allegro or Amazon, so you can find and purchase it yourself. If you can't find one, you can always use a regular toothbrush, a soft or medium bristled one. That will work too, it'll just take a bit more effort. We start by always making sure the phone is turned off. It should never be on. That's fundamental. Grip the toothbrush firmly so that it's wet. If you don't have a diffuser like this, you can simply use a regular container, pour a bit of alcohol into it, and just dip the toothbrush in. We take the phone on this side, here we have the port, and with a single direction motion, we go in. Only up to the this is why you need a brush like this, because its bristles are about 2 centimeters long, so we can easily reach all the way to the end of the port, as you can see, and move it around so that all the dirt can come out of the port. A single direction motion, so about 10 times in one direction, and only then about 10 times in the other direction as well. And this comprehensive approach will allow us to meticulously clean every single part of the mobile phone device thoroughly without encountering any technical issues or causing any accidental damage, and you can rest assured that everything will be done properly and finished to the highest possible professional standard for a perfect result. After doing this, set the phone aside for about 10 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate, and then you can turn the phone on and use it as normal. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would appreciate it if you could give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.